Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Otters are also extremely powerful and can crack through oyster shells with their teeth. Not a good pet. They are a joy to watch in the wild, but they don't act the same in captivity as they do in the wild. They are very lethargic and very temperamental.
Take our lead.
But there's one characteristic of the animal that has caused consternation among some folks who've had to deal with them. To put it simply, they stink. They produce a strong, disagreeable scent from their anal glands, and they have especially smelly poop, perhaps from a diet of fish, crab and other sea creatures.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Pet Helpful confirms that pet otters are rather high maintenance. They are the smallest otter species in the world. They are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List of threatened species. In the wild, they feed on mostly invertebrates and occasionally frogs.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.